Do you feel like you need more hip external rotation? Do you feel like your friends and neighbors are looking at you funny every time you go to the car and you can't externally rotate your hips properly? Do you feel like your family members don't respect you because you can't externally rotate your hips? If so, today's video is going to help you understand how to achieve better hip external rotation. Are you ready? Great. Let's say you're at a party and you've had a few drinks in you and everybody at the party has decided to enter into an external rotation game where the competition is to see who can drink from a cup that's perched on top of their foot. Now, do you think you would be able to win at that game? Would you even be able to reach the drink? If it were a tall Dixie cup, maybe. But for a lot of you, it would probably have to be a keg. What you want to be able to do is be able to drink from a shot glass that's perched on your foot so that the next time you're at a party like that, you won't be so embarrassed. So let's get down to a simple tactic to help you get better hip external rotation. So I'm sitting down on a plyo box and I am in a position of flexion and external rotation of my hip joint. You can do this on a bench, you can do this on a chair, you can do this anywhere, you can do this on a couch, you could do this with a mouse, you could do this in a house. But I'm going to do it on a box. Okay, so what you're going to do is set up just like this. Okay, for many people it's going to be really tough to even achieve this position. If that's you, you're at the right video. So many people are going to find that they're kind of stuck here. Or they're stuck here. There's some level up off of the box, okay? What we want to do is try to get it so you can get your knee down like that. So to start with, let's just assume you're stuck here and you can't get it down like that. You're going to put your hand right under here and then you're going to provide resistance as you push your knee down towards the box, okay? So it's like you're trying to get down there, but your arm is not going to let you. So we're going to take advantage of your body's natural ability to learn, okay? So we're going to be firing up these lateral hip rotators, these kind of glute-ish muscles as you're pushing down into your hand/arm. If you don't want to do it with your hand or arm, you could use a yoga block or something similar so you can just push really hard into something. That's totally okay. For some people, that's way too much setup and you're too lazy to do that, and that's fair enough. Just use your hand and arm. So you're going to be pushing down. You count to 3 to 5. Most people, I would suggest count to 5 because everyone counts really fast when they're doing something uncomfortable. And then relax, and then you do it again. So we're training those muscles to fire, to engage, to really try to pull that knee down. And over time, and really even in your first go at this, you should see some improvement if you're doing this correctly, okay? You should feel these muscles doing something, okay? Then you can do that for a set of 3 to 5. Again, a set of 3 to 5 with 3 to 5 second holds, okay? Then what you can do is come to the other side of the knee. You can, again, lean into it. So right now, because you're tight, you're probably going to feel something here. That's what we're going to try to stretch out. So you're leaning into it, and then you're going to try to pull the knee up into the arm. The arm is not going to let the knee win. So the knee's pulling up, you're still pushing down, you're still pushing down. Again, a 3 to 5 hold. And then you relax the tension here, you relax that effort to pull up, but the arm still keeps pushing down. So now that you've fatigued some things, you let those things relax, and then, oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. You're actually able to push the knee further down. It's not going to be comfortable, and then you push, you try to pull the knee up back into the arm's not going to let it come up. Okay, you do this again, count of 3 to 5, and then relax that effort of pulling the leg up, and the arm keeps pushing down, and it keeps on getting it a little bit lower. You can also use your hands. This guy is trying to pull up, pull up, pull up. Your hand's not letting it come up. 3 to 5, then you relax it, and then keep on pushing it down, okay? Then you can come back here. So a set of 3 to 5 of 3 to 5 second holds is fine. And then you come back down here and push it down, push it down, push it down, push it down, relax, and then try to let it go a little further, and then provide some more resistance, push it down, push it down, push it down, relax like that, until we get more of that range. One thing that you might want to pay attention to is if you're doing this pushing down motion, if you're trying to kind of smash it all the way down, if you feel like as you get to the end range that your butt hurts more, what I've found typically is that means this is too weak. And if this is too weak and it feels like painful as you go into that range, then what you need to do is actually focus more on coming under the knee and then pushing down and activating those muscles. So again, if you find that trying to jam from top down causes you pain back here, then don't focus on that so much. Focus more on coming underneath and having the muscles here activate to pull the knee down. That tends to make things a lot more comfortable. Seems to be more effective when you get that signal of pain. So that's more of like a weakness pain, not so much like you're destroying anything, but that's the weakness there. So you need to actually use those muscles more to be able to get that down, okay? Now, that's our first step in just achieving a little more range of motion there. I'm gonna make another video that shows you a little more of an aggressive stretch to help you get even more external rotation so that when you want to, and you've got that shot glass, you'll be able to just go whoop, like that. And I'm assuming you're drinking water, because water is what makes for a fun party. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time. Remember, pain sucks, life shouldn't. If you like this video, you'll probably like our other videos too. So be sure to check out some of our other videos right after you click the subscribe button. And since I'm assuming you like this video, go ahead and click the like button too. Cheers. Practice makes perfect.